In this video, I'll explain if NA function. So basically you can see the error NA error. NA error, it will come when you are looking for something like HLOOKUP, SLOOKUP, VLOOKUP. If you use these kind of formulas, you will get NA error. How? See, I have employee score and pass fail criteria. I am putting Jane. I want to see that is pass or fail. So it is giving me a pass. So I am putting Mark. It is giving me a fail. For example, by mistake, I put my name, Ahmed. So it is giving me NA error, you can see. So how to avoid this error? I can type if NA function before the formula, right? And then comma, you can type any message you want. I can say that not in the list and close parentheses and done. So this is very helpful instead of you avoiding the error, and you can type any of the message you wanna type. So you can type it there and you can get the result.